and that was the protein of the salad. So I brought these yesterday. These ones are at Coles. I got them and they're about $2 something each. Great to have in your fridge. So this one's the sun-dried pesto, and this one is the basil pesto. And I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to make it more of the sun-dried than the actual pesto itself. That gives it that nice tomato, full body flavour, but light enough to be able to be like a real nice texture in the summer pasta salad. I forgot to say, with the pasta, when you use the fusilli, make sure that once you've strained the water off it and you've cooked it, that you drizzle some on a flat tray. I'll show you the tray I had. You put the pasta after you've strained it, and then you drizzle some olive oil over it and you toss that. And you keep tossing it for about 3 or 4 minutes until it's coated and it's cooling down, because pasta still cooks with the steam. So you keep tossing it with the oil after you've drizzled, and then you leave it on the bench, and then you put it into a container, and that way this pasta actually, like this, keeps for a couple of days. You can actually reheat it and make your own sauce up, use it for making a quick pasta. You come home and you think, well, what am I going to eat? And you want a nice healthy, put some veggies in with it or some protein. Beautiful tuna with this pasta.